Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and today is December 8th, the day Honor has released the details of the spec sheet of the Honor Magic8 Lite. At this point in time, we just don't know what pricing and availability in the UK will be. We'll be able to update you more once we do, but at this point in time, it's all black box to us. Now, the Honor Magic8 Lite is a mid-range device. It's powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 4, which is a pretty decent chip in my past experience with other smartphones running it. What is really impressive about the spec sheet of the Honor Magic8 Lite is a 7,500 mAh battery. 7,500 mAh batteries are almost 50% more than most smartphones in that segment of the market. It is a silicon carbon battery, so it is quite a dense one, but despite that big battery in the Honor Magic8 Lite, the device is still well under 200 grams. Honor have achieved this by having a plastic frame, a plastic back with a matte finish, and a shatterproof glass on the front, which doesn't add too much weight. Now, the Honor Magic8 Lite is rated for up to 2.5 meter drops. To you and me, that means that if I raise this device way up high and then let go of it, it's almost 2.5 meters. It should resist or should survive most drops at that height. This is because not only is there a decent plastic construction, which will absorb some of the impact, there's also non-Newtonian liquids on the inside, which will shield those internal components. So we mentioned the Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 system on a chip, and all the related radios and modems in there. There is that 7,500 mAh battery, and there is also a 108 megapixel optically image stabilized sensor on there for the main camera. There's also a 5 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and on the front you'll find a 16 megapixel cutout for the selfie camera. Now, that selfie camera is a cutout, so it has screen all around it. Honor's software, that's Magic OS 9, powered by Android 15, has the equivalent of a dynamic island, a little pill-shaped notification area that expands and contracts around that selfie camera. Very useful in my opinion, and not entirely dissimilar to what we've already seen on the Honor Magic 7 Pro, which I purchased earlier this year. The Honor Magic8 Lite is, as I said, built to withstand impact and a bit of a rough and tough lifestyle. Now, when I say rough and tough lifestyle, it is IP66, IP68, and IP69K rated. There are plenty of videos out there explaining what all these IP ratings mean, but essentially you can drop this in muddy water and recover it and it will be undamaged. It can take water, jets, sprays, steam, all sorts of rough and tough lifestyle. Essentially, it's likely to last quite a long time thanks to this physical durability. And that long time isn't just down to durability, it also comes with years of software updates from Honor for Magic OS. We'll obviously have more details about all that in a future video, but for the spec sheet, I think that covers everything. The standout highlight to me personally is that 7,500 mAh battery that's in it. If you're someone who travels a lot or travels long haul, that is the sort of feature which really will make a difference. Not only that, you can also use it to power up a friend's phone if they run out of power, because it supports external charging up to 7.5 watts. And when you need to top up, you can use Honor's fast charging at 66 watts. Obviously, you'll need a compatible charger and cable to do that. From what I see, it looks as if it's a 6 amp cable, but we'll go into that in more detail in our long-term review. For now, thanks for watching. As I mentioned earlier, If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. And our Honor Magic8 Lite coverage has just started. We'll be publishing regular videos about some of the features and specifications over the next few weeks, until early January, when we'll publish our long-term review after the official announcement. But for now, if you have any questions, if you'd like to know more, leave us a comment in the section below and we'll do our best to get back to you. And again, thanks for watching. Speak to you soon.